Dear students, today we are going to learn English alphabet. आज हम इंग्लिश के अल्फ़ाबेट और इंग्लिश के लेटर सीखने वाले हैं. Dear students, today we are going to learn the new letter L. This is capital L and this is small l. So dear students, we will see which words start with letter L and how to write letter L properly. Before starting letter L, we will sing a very lovely song. Shall we begin? Let's begin. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग था ना ये. लेट्स रिपीट. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Very good. So dear students, do you know which letter is this? This is letter L. L. The phonic sound of letter L is L. L. Let's see which words start with letter L. L is for lion. L is for lion. L is for lamp. L is for lamp. L is for lotus. L is for lotus. L is for leaf. L is for leaf. L is for ladder. L is for ladder. L is for light bulb. L is for light bulb. L is for lips. L is for lips. L is for lizard. L is for lizard. L is for lantern. L is for lantern. L is for lemon. L is for lemon. L is for leg. L is for leg. L is for log. L is for log. L is for lake. L is for lake. L is for lobster. L is for lobster. L is for lollipop. L is for lollipop. L is for ladybug. L is for ladybug. L. This is capital L and this is small l. Lion. Lion. Lamp. Lamp. Lotus. Lotus. Leaf. Leaf. Ladder. Ladder. Light bulb. Light bulb. Lips. Lips. Lizard. Lizard. Lantern. Lantern. Lemon. Lemon. Leg. Leg. Log. Log. Leg. Leg. Lobster. Lobster. Lollipop. Lollipop. Ladybug. Ladybug. Dear students, let's see how to write capital L and small l properly. First, we will draw a standing line and then one sleeping line like this. This is capital L. And when we draw a standing line like this is small l. तो हम पहले कैपिटल L बनाना सीखेंगे. पहले आपको एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है और उसकी जो बॉटम जो है उस पर एक स्लीपिंग लाइन बनाना है, दिस इज कैपिटल एल, और एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन आप बना देंगे ऐसे तो बन जाएगा स्मॉल एल। सो डियर स्टूडेंट, let's see how to write capital and small L on 3 lines. First we will trace this line, capital L, standing line, sleeping line. This is capital L. Let's trace the capital L. L, 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 L. Don't let the line above the lines. L, 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 capital L, capital L. 3 lines के बाहर आपको जाने नहीं देना है. You have to write between 3 lines. L, 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 small L, small L, small L, small L, small L. So dear student, let's see how to write capital L and small L on 3 lines. First we will draw a standing line, and on 3rd line we will draw sleeping line. This is capital L. स्मॉल एल के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है, 3 लाइंस पर बनाना है, ठीक है। लेट्स फाइंड आउट स्मॉल एल एंड सर्कल इट। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड स्मॉल एल एंड कैपिटल एल and you learn to write small and capital L. Please like the video and share with your friends. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. We will meet in the next video with new letter M. Keep learning, keep watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.